Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Now, are you curious to know about today's recipe? I'm going to show you an easy seafood preparation. Today, I got some fresh squids. So, using these squids, let's prepare Neema's special squid masala. By the way, if you like my video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please click the subscription button below and the bell icon. It's from your subscription and thumbs up I get the motivation to do videos like this. Now let's check out the ingredients for marinating our squids. Lime juice 1 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Here I am using Kashmiri chili, but you can use any chili of your choice. Cleaned and chopped squids 1 kilo, salt a pinch, coconut oil or any vegetable oil 1 tablespoon. Ingredients needed for sauteing are slit green chili 1, crushed ginger 2-inch piece, curry leaves few, red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Here I am using Kashmiri chili, but you can use any chili of your choice. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala 1/2 to 1 teaspoon or as per your spice level. Tomato sauce 2 tablespoon, chopped shallots 1 cup, cauliflower florets 1 cup, chopped tender coconut optional 1/4 cup, water 1/2 to 1 cup or as needed, salt to taste, coconut oil or any vegetable oil 3 tablespoon or more if needed. Let's first marinate our squids with ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, lime juice, salt and oil, and then we will keep it aside for half an hour marination. Now let's add squid, a ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, lime juice, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or vegetable oil. Here I am using coconut oil. Mix well. Let's keep this aside for half an hour marination. Our squids has been marinated very well with the spices, and now let's start with our preparation. Now to a hot pan, let's add 3 tablespoons of oil. One, 2, and finally the third. Into it, let's drop in our chopped shallots. Saute it well till it has changed to golden brown in color. See the color. This is the time to add in a crushed ginger and green chili. Ginger and a green chili. Saute it for a minute till you get a good aroma. Wow, it smells so good. I'm just decreasing the flame. Now into it, let's drop in our spices: red chili powder, turmeric powder, and finally a garam masala, along with our tomato sauce. Give it a good mix. The spices are coated well with our shallots. Now into this we can add in our water, say half to 1 cup. Right now I've added just half a cup of water. If needed, I'll be adding more. Now when your spice mixture is ready, then we will add in our marinated squid along with salt. I'm just dropping in our squid. Give it a good mix. I'm just adding a pinch or more of salt. Cover it up with a lid, and I'm just increasing the flame and wait till it comes to a boil. Let's see how it's done. Yeah, it's boiling. Give it a good mix. I'm going to cover it back again and wait till the squids are half cooked. Then we will add in our cauliflower florets and further our optional tender coconuts. So let's wait. I'm just removing the lid and bring down the flame to low. The squids has been half cooked. Let's drop in our cauliflower florets. Mix it up. Our squids and our cauliflower florets are almost done. Now I'm going to add in our optional tender coconut. Give it a mix. As said, it's optional. It smells so good. My mouth is watering. Now let's drop in our fresh curry leaves. Give it a mix again. Our Neema special squid masala is ready. Now before turning off, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or vegetable oil and turn off the flame. After plating, see how it looks. Isn't it good? My version of squid masala is very tasty and you can have this with rice and chapatis, and I hope you will try it out. If you have any doubt, then please use the comment section below. I shall try to answer it. See you all in my next video with another tips and tricks.